Good morning. My name is Michael Leeserman here with the Trial Guide's Tip of the Day this Thursday, August 10th, 2023. Today's tip comes from the classic Rules of the Road, a plaintiff's lawyer's guide to proving liability. Here to read the tip is Patrick Malone, one of the Rules of the Road authors. Good morning, Patrick.
Good morning, Michael. Here's the quote. We believe plaintiffs' attorneys need to spend a lot of time in discovery and at trial, painting in the backdrop for their rules so that by the time the jury is deliberating, they not only know the reasons behind the rules, the jurors, but they become invested in the case as safety guardians for the community.
Wow. First, I've got to say this book really is classic. If you don't have Rules of the Road, you need to go out and get it. What you and Rick Friedman did in writing this, all of us owe you a real debt because we're talking about the standards of care. We're talking about the rules in the case and a way to present those. You've helped us find a way to present those in a way that the jury can access. So I'm curious if you can just talk to us a little bit more about that, what you mean by that, and how we use these rules.
Well, the word rule, it's a simple four-letter word, but it can sound very arbitrary. I mean, there are rules against double parking in the street, but when you couple a rule with safety, something that preserves the community, and it becomes a safety rule, then it becomes important, and it becomes something that people are on the jury and everywhere are invested in as something that is important for preserving the safety of the community. The other thing about knowing the reasons behind the rules is it's just a simple question, the best of the five questions, the who, what, when, where, why, how. The best one is why. Why do we have this rule? If it's a good rule, it's one that the other side has to agree with. And that makes them squirm, but it makes for a much more powerful case.
Wow. So develop the rules, make sure that you give the why for the rules, and that really should be simple and make common sense, right?
Exactly.
All right. Well, thank you so much for bringing this book into the world for all of us. Thank you very much for being here today and sharing your wisdom.
Glad to be here.
Let's take a deep breath together and be grateful to be alive this Thursday. May the work we do today help to reduce suffering in the world, reduce suffering in the lives of our clients, in our lives, and in the world. May our efforts help to repair the world. May we fiercely and compassionately advocate for our clients, champion their stories, and do so from a place of compassion and wisdom. I'm going to ring a bell 3 times now. This can take you into a meditation practice, a prayer practice, or just remind you, wake up, it's Thursday. Go out, do good things, and have fun while you're doing it.